Once upon a time in the heart of the lush jungle, two elephants named Ellie and Daddy lived. Harmony, Leslie, mon ami, myriad of vibrant flora and fauna.
One sunny day, Ellie accidentally sat on a pile of bananas while enjoying a nap.
Shortly after, a sudden rainstorm surprised Daddy, leaving him drenched but with a unique solution. He discovered he could spray water from his trunk. The zebras, always seeking shortcuts, mistook Ellie and Daddy for a zebra crossing, causing amusing scenes as they tried to traverse the jungle. Word of the jungle antics reached the hippos, known for their love of water and dancing. They all got nasty, hilarious dances, inviting all the animals to participate. As the jungle echoed with laughter, Ellie and Daddy marveled at the joyful community. They were part of realizing that even the most unexpected, weaving laughter and camaraderie into the fabric of their elephanting tales. Weaving laughter and camaraderie into the fabric of their elephanting tales. Once upon a time in the heart of the lush jungle, two elephants named Ellie and Daddy lived. Harmony, Leslie, mon ami, myriad of vibrant flora and fauna.
One sunny day, Ellie accidentally sat on a pile of bananas while enjoying a nap.
Shortly after, a sudden rainstorm surprised Daddy, leaving him drenched but with a unique solution. He discovered he could spray water from his trunk. The zebras, always seeking shortcuts, mistook Ellie and Daddy for a zebra crossing, causing amusing scenes as they tried to traverse the jungle. Word of the jungle antics reached the hippos, known for their love of water and dancing. They all got nasty, hilarious dances.